Jokes in Urdu. Impressing jokes. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. By clicking the bell icon, subscribers will receive email notifications of new videos. What is the difference between a wife and a girlfriend?
About 45 pounds.
What's the difference between a husband and a boyfriend?
35 minutes.
If my left leg was breakfast and my right leg was lunch, what would you prefer?
Eating between meals.
What are 2 reasons why men don't mind their own business?
1. No mind. 2. No business.
Why is it difficult to find men who are sensitive, caring and good-looking?
They already have boyfriends.
What's the difference between a man and a cow?
1 brain cell that prevents them from shitting all over the place.
What's the difference between love, true love and showing off?
Spitting, swallowing and gargling.
Why do men like love at first sight?
It saves them a lot of time.
Why do women pay more attention to their appearance than improving their minds?
Because most men are stupid, but few are blind.
What is the difference between men and women?
A woman wants one man to satisfy her every need. A man wants every woman to satisfy his one need.
Why are men like commercials?
You can't believe a word they say.
What do men and beer have in common?
They're both empty from the neck up.
What's the difference between a man and a parrot?
You can teach a parrot to talk nicely.
Why do men like love at first sight?
It saves them a lot of time.
Why is a man different from a computer?
You only have to tell the computer once.
What is the only time a man thinks about a candlelight dinner?
When the power goes off.
How to impress a woman.
Compliment her, cuddle her, kiss her, caress her, love her, stroke her, comfort her, protect her, hug her, wine and dine her, buy gifts for her, listen to her, respect her, stand by her, support her, go to the ends of the earth for her. How to impress a man?
Arrive naked. With beer.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.
Don't forget to hit the little bell button to get notifications of my video uploads.